One great way to optimize space in the market garden with leeks is to grow them 3 rows on 30-inch and to bury them. When we're growing leeks, the trick is to have as big as a branch stem as possible. That's how you recognize the good growers out there. They're the ones that are growing leeks that have 6-7 inch of really branch white stem. We do this here by burying them. So we make a hole using a dibbler, and the dibbler is about 9-inch deep, and then we grow these really long pencil type leeks that we simply drop into the holes when we're ready to transplant in the spring. And these have about 1 inch to 1.5 inches sticking out. That's going to be enough for them to keep growing, and we're guaranteed to have a really nice branch stem. And again, the reason why we do this is that we went from 2 rows to 3 rows on the same amount of space, which is 100% more production, which is what we want when we're optimizing space in the market garden.